Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels and thank you so much for joining me today on March the 4th of 2020. If you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and leave me a comment on what you think of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. That's right, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you need to hit the subscribe button right now. Like I said, you need to hit the subscribe button right now to make sure that you don't miss out on future content. So thank you so much for joining me. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels once again, and today we're going to be discussing Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So the package finally arrived this morning, and I was super excited because I was expecting it to be delayed in customs, which it was, and it was coming from Los Angeles to Canada, and I thought, oh my god, this is going to take 25 days, 28 days, maybe 30 days to get here. But it did arrive, and it arrived all in one piece. Nothing was broken, all the eyeshadows were perfectly intact. The packaging and the way that JeffreeStarCosmetics.com packages their products is truly amazing. So if you've used Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the past, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think about the products. So I actually purchased some of his regular brand products just to test those out as well. And I also purchased his Bloodlust collection. So I actually have here with me from his Bloodlust collection, the Crown Jewel Mirror, which is super cool. Ladies, men, girls, anybody out there, teenagers that are watching, you can look yourself in the mirror and actually say, ooh, look how pretty I am. Now, you know what? Jeffree Star's Cosmetics is cruelty-free and also not tested on animals. So that is a complete selling feature for me as well. So if you haven't watched my video earlier today, please make sure that you watch it. It's the unveiling of all the Jeffree Star Cosmetics that actually came in today as well. And I'm super excited. I'm still super excited. I've been playing around with this Bloodlust Collection Artistry palette now for the last couple of hours, and I want to share with you some of the secrets, tips, and tricks that I actually found to be very useful in makeup application as a pro makeup artist and a beauty influencer as well. So that being said, let's get started. It comes, the Bloodlust collection, and don't even think about trying to order it. If you go onto the website, it's completely sold out. So I'm completely very fortunate and very grateful that I was able to get my hands on the Bloodlust collection. So I got my hands on this, the mini purple lip glazes as well, the mirror, and some of his other cosmetics like his Skin Frost as well as highlighters. So opening the Pro Artistry palette, which is velour, and this is awesome for ladies, men, teenagers. So if you're looking for a present, you know, women and men and girls of all ages, then this is a perfect present. Once it comes back into stock, I would suggest that you order it immediately and have it shipped to wherever your destination may be. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I think it's 17 colors. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait now, 2, 4, 6, I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17 Pro Artistry colors in his palette, which is amazing. And we have Dungeons, Scandal Water, Sworn Enemy, Pink Magic, Bleeding Heart. I do not need to read all the names to you because you know what? They're going to be meaningless until I actually show you the colors on my eyelid. So let's get started. And we're going to start by actually taking an eyeshadow brush. And if you haven't checked out Jeffree Star's makeup shadow brush collection, it looks very similar to the Tarte brushes that I'm using right now. And as you know, Tarte Cosmetics is cruelty-free and not tested on animals as well. So that being said, we're going to move right along to applying Your Majesty from the palette, which is this white shade, onto my lid. And like I said, the pigment is actually phenomenal in this. So we're going to apply it onto the lid, and you know what? Normally I would say that you would have to do tapping motions with shadow, but there's no fallout from this. There's no fallout as well at all. So, you know, I'm super excited about that as well. So we're doing the lid here, okay? We're going to switch around and do the lid on the other side so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. And you know, I love the fact that Jeffree Star is always changing his look. He's always changing his image. And you know what? You need to do that, especially when you're in cosmetics. You know, nothing is stagnant. Everything is always moving forward. So we have the Your Majesty as the white color onto my mobile eyelid. We're now actually going to take, a contour brush. And I think I'm going to use today, I'm going to use the Smokin', no, it's not called Smokin', I don't have my glasses on, guys, sorry about that. It's called Sworn Enemy, so which is this color here, the kind of greenish forest green color. And we're just going to dip our shadow brush, our contour brush, into that and apply right in through the crease. In little swirly motions like so. We're coming down and we're swirling around. And this is just going to create a little depth of color. You don't need a lot. And what I'm noticing with this shadow too, super blendable. It's not going on like, oh my gosh, I just like plug color onto my crease and you know, it's going to be super hard if I make a mistake. You know, this palette is for everyone, the Bloodlust palette, for everyone. So ladies, men, drag queens, whoever you may be, whatever sexuality you may be, purchase this product. I cannot say anything bad about this Bloodlust collection so far. So we have the foresty green color on one lid. So look how amazing that looks. Just with a little bit of color. We're going to do the opposite lid as well. And the Sworn Enemy can be worn with multiple different colors. That's why all these colors here, they all mix and match together so that you can actually wear them. And that's what I like about a Pro Artistry palette, is that you can mix and match the colors and create the look that you're looking for. So having that onto the lid, and there's no fallout. There's nothing under my eyes. There's no fallout at all. And it creates such dimension in the lid area that I absolutely, truly love it. So just going in a circular motion, almost like a backward C. We have it both on both eyes. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm using my Tom Ford brush because I don't have a brush that's very like this in the Tarte line. And I'm actually going to rim underneath. And we're going to use actually Pink Magic. Actually, no, let's use Wet Jewel. Doesn't that sound awesome? Wet Jewel. So we're going to dip in. So this is just kind of like a tiny little brush. It's an eyeliner brush that can go over top of your eyeliner just to add a little extra oomph to the look. And we're just going to apply it right under here like so. And look at that color pigment. Look at it. Look. It is truly amazing. And no fallout, which is amazing. So this you can actually use to highlight in the inner corner of the eye like so. And I'm just blending it around where I've actually lined my eyes. And then if you want, you can put more black eyeliner on as well. And it's such a simple way to actually, you know, accentuate your eyes. So closing the palette, there's a lot much more to see, so we're going to continue on. And yes, this hair does get in the way, you know what I mean? I'm going to get another wig that's a little shorter that, you know, does, you know, more for my facial complexion. So this was just one that I actually got and I just thought I was going to wear it. So speaking about frost, we are going to use the Skinned Frost, and it's actually called Sarcophagus. I've learned actually how to pronounce it, Sarcophagus. So, and it is absolutely stunning. Stunning. Hence it matches the pink nails that I'm wearing. So using a highlighting brush, and this one is so pigmented, so pigmented that you actually have to, when you're applying it, be very careful. So we're going to apply it right here, and you can see as I'm applying it, you get a lot of color. So right here, just above the apple of the cheek, you can use it on the other side. I'm gonna use it on the other side. Like, look at that shimmer. I've never seen anything like that in all my life as a pro makeup artist. That shimmer is truly, truly, truly amazing. And you know what? If I had my blending sponge with me right now, I would blend that out, but I'm just using my fingertips to blend it out so you guys can see the luminosity to it. You could also use this shimmer on your brow bone as well, which we'll be discussing in another channel episode as well. So right above where you would actually apply your blush color, we're applying the Skin Frost. So truly, truly, truly an amazing product. Just down a little bit of the bridge of the nose as well to highlight. And then we're going to top off the look with, move my hair back out of the way. So this is the Killer Attack, and it's a lip gloss with the crown jewel on top as well. And what's great about this is that it's tinted black. So when we apply it to the lips, can you guys see that it's coming out black? And I'm not using a lip liner. And it literally just glides on. So a little contour, maybe straighten the hair a little bit, and voila. So if you haven't joined my channel yet, we will be doing live demos on models that aren't myself, because you know what, I can only do so much makeup on myself without boring you guys to death. So thank you so much for joining me today on March the 4th. I actually do love this Killer Attack, Black Attack or Black Killer, whatever it's called, from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And if you've used Jeffree Star Cosmetics, please leave me a comment, and I can just see the light and the glow, you know, that's happening on my skin. So it's truly, like, I can't even describe it to you. So until you use the products, you're not going to understand the full complexity of how amazing his product range is. So that being said, thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't caught my first video on the unveiling of all the products, please do so. And with this Black Killer Attack on, you know what? You would think that it's a really dark shade, but you know what? It goes with a lot of people's skin tones. So thank you so much for joining me on March the 4th. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button and join my channel. New content coming up on a regular basis. Make sure you tune in and make sure that you share this with all your friends and family. Thanks so much, guys, and cheers, and have a wonderful day. Tick tock, time's a ticking. Make sure you apply your Jeffree Star Cosmetics and go on to his website and see what he actually has that's still in stock. Cheers.